Namaste and a very good morning to all of you.
Good morning, sir.
I would like to say thanks to Globally Spoken English for giving me an opportunity to hone my pronunciation skills. My name is Anjit Kumar and I belong to Kasba Khas. I am learning English speaking from Globally Spoken English. Today I am going to deliver the speech on Republic Day. Let me start with some touching lines in Hindi. वो समा जो काम आए अंजुमन के लिए, वो जज्बा जो कुर्बान हो वतन के लिए, रखते हैं हम वो हौसले जो मर मिटे हिंदुस्तान के लिए, जो मर मिटे हिंदुस्तान के लिए. Republic means the supreme power and citizen live in the republic nation, enjoy the rights and elect their representative to lead and run the country. We all know that India got independence on 15 August 1947, but the nation didn't have any constitution of its own. India is a democratic country, although there has been a lot of improvements still. Now it can also be said that we have been facing a few problems such as pollution, poverty, unemployment. Its own thing we all can do is to promise each other so that we will become a better version of ourselves, so that we could contribute to solving all these problems and making our nation a better place. I want to speak some heart-touching lines in Hindi. आज शहीदों ने है तुमको अहले वतन ललकारा, तोड़ो गुलामी की जंजीरें, बरसाओ अंगारा, हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख हमारा, भाई भाई प्यारा, ये है आज़ादी का झंडा, इसी सलाम हमारा, इसी सलाम हमारा. I end up my talk with a special thanks to you all wonderful people for listening to me with great patience. Thank you so much and have a good day.